morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss the topic articles. We'll study what is an article and what are the different types of articles. Let us see what is an article. The adjectives a, an, and though are known as articles. An article always comes before the noun in a sentence. Dear children, there are two kinds of articles. The first one is indefinite article and the second one is definite article. Articles a and an are indefinite articles and the article though is definite article. Now let's study the indefinite and definite articles. The first one is indefinite articles. A and an are known as indefinite articles as they do not refer to any particular person, place or thing. We can use the articles a and an for any person, anything or any place. We do not use them for any particular person, place or thing. An indefinite article modifies any common noun in its singular form. And the articles a and an mean one. They are used to speak about a singular common noun. Now the definite article. Though is known as a definite article as it refers to a particular person, place or thing. When we point out to a particular person, place or thing, we use the article though. Let's see the examples. I saw a lady. Here, what is an article? The article is a. So, it means we are talking about any lady. Clear? It can be any lady. Now, she has an umbrella. It means any umbrella. We are not talking about any particular person, place or thing. Now, the next example is we thank the gentleman who helped us. Here, the article is the. And dear children, here we can see in this sentence we are talking about a particular man. What? Who helped us. So, when we point out to a particular person, when we indicate to a particular person, place or thing, we use the article the. Next example is the exercise we are doing today will take a little more time. In this example, we can see that we are talking about a particular exercise. Now, the important points to remember, in English there are total 26 alphabets. Alphabets A, E, I, O, U are known as vowels and rest all the alphabets are consonants. The use of a and an depends on the sound with which a word begins. The use of articles a and an fully depends on the sound with which the word begins. Let's see the examples. If a word begins with a vowel sound, we use an. Dear children, mostly you are getting confused. You think that if the word is beginning with vowel, you have to use an. But it's not like that. You have to concentrate on its sound. Clear? Let's see the example. An apple, an egg, an igloo, an ox, an umbrella. In all these examples, we can see all the words are beginning with a vowel as well as with a vowel sound. That is why we have used the article an. The next point is, if a word begins with a consonant sound, we use the article a. A mango, a cup, a house. In all these examples, we can see the words are beginning with consonant as well as with consonant sound. Clear? The next thing is, let's read these examples. A uniform, a university, a European, a unicorn. Now this is the time to understand it in a proper way. Again and again I am repeating that we should concentrate on the sound of the first letter with which the word begins. We do not simply see the first letter, whether it is the vowel or it's the consonant. We should concentrate on the sound. Now in these examples, you can see all these words are beginning with vowels, with U or E. But we have used the article a before them. Why? Because they are beginning with consonant sound. The sound of bold letters is ya sound. Uniform, ya sound. The first sound is ya sound, and that is the consonant sound. That is why we have used it. We have used the article a before it, not an. A European. We can see here in this example, the word is beginning with the vowel E, but it is beginning with a consonant sound, not the vowel sound. That is why we have used the article a before that. Now let's see the next words. An hour, an honor, an honest man. In all these examples, you can see the first letter H is silent. What sound do we get? You can see an R. O sound we can hear. O is the vowel sound, not the consonant. That is why we have used here an R. An honor. O sound we can hear in this example. O sound, and that is the vowel sound. That is why we have used the article an in this example. And honest. O sound we can hear again in this example. That is also a vowel sound. So, dear children, here we studied when do we use the article a or an. But in coming classes, I will teach you the uses of the article a or an, and when we do not use the article a or an, we will study in much detail in the next classes. And also we will talk about the definite article the also. Before summing up this class, I would like to tell you one trick. If you are confused in the use of a or an, you can do one thing. You can write the word in Hindi. You can write that word in Hindi. If it is beginning with swar, that means you have to use the article and before that. If it is beginning with it vyanjan, you have to use the article a before that. For example, the word European, when you will write in Hindi, it will begin with yo. Yo is vyanjan, means it is clear that though it is beginning with vowel, but its sound is consonant sound. So I hope it will be very helpful for you.